How to claim Spotify artist profile. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Spotify artist sign up. Head over to the very first site, Spotify for Artists. It will be landing you on its official page. Once you are in here, what you want to do is tap on Get Access at the top right corner of the screen. It will lead you to this page. As you're looking forward to claim Spotify artist profile, you simply have to click on Artist or Manager. It will be landing you on this page. Now what you want to do is, you have to log in into a specific Spotify account. If you don't have your account, you have to create one. So enter your email address and the password and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you have to follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can claim Spotify artist profile. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.